How to turn off Incognito Mode on Chrome on your Android device. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off Incognito Mode on Chrome on your Android device. To turn off Incognito Mode in Google Chrome on your Android device, first of all, you need to open your Chrome browser. And if you are currently in Incognito Mode, you will see the Incognito icon represented by a hat and glasses in the upper right corner just ahead of the search bar. As Incognito Mode is designed to keep your browsing private within that session, and it automatically disables itself once you close all the incognito tabs. There is no persistent setting that needs to be toggled off. You just simply have to close all the incognito tabs to return to the normal browsing. Here's how you can do it. In this page, here you need to tap on the switcher icon, which looks like a square with a number inside. It shows how many tabs are open. Simply tap on this icon next to search bar, and then this will display all your open tabs. You should then see a section for regular tabs and a section for incognito tabs. If there isn't more tabs, you can simply remove them by tapping on the cross icon presented at the top right of these tabs. Once you tap on it, it will be removed. Or if you have lots of tabs, you can just close those tabs all at once by tapping on the three dots at the top right corner of this incognito tabs, and from the drop down select close incognito tabs. Once you tap on it, it will ask you to confirm. Tap on close all tabs and groups, and once you do so, this will exit incognito mode. Now after closing all the incognito tabs, you'll automatically be switched back to the regular browsing mode. So now you can continue using Chrome in the normal mode without the private browsing features of incognito mode. So by following these steps, you should be able to turn off incognito mode on Chrome browser on Android. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.